Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of America's most iconic full-size SUVs, the 2026 Ford Expedition. With a commanding presence, improved tech, and serious power under the hood, the latest Expedition continues to push boundaries in comfort, utility, and innovation. Whether you're hauling a family, towing a trailer, or just looking to ride in style, this SUV deserves your attention. Let's take a deep dive into what makes the 2026 Expedition one of the most impressive SUVs on the road today. Body panels. The 2026 Expedition showcases bold and refined body panels that blend strength with sophistication. The sheet metal is sculpted to enhance aerodynamics without sacrificing its tough, muscular appearance. Aluminum alloy panels reduce weight and contribute to improved fuel efficiency, while also resisting corrosion over time. Subtle creases along the sides add a dynamic profile, and the integrated roof rails now sit lower for reduced wind resistance while maintaining cargo flexibility. Headlights. Up front, the Expedition features all-new adaptive matrix LED headlights. These not only offer superior illumination at night but also adjust beam patterns in real time based on your speed, steering angle, and road conditions. Automatic high beams are standard across all trims, providing better visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. The signature C-clamp daytime running lights give the front a futuristic yet distinctly Ford look. Taillights. At the rear, the Expedition gets upgraded full LED taillights with a connected light bar design on higher trims. These taillights improve visibility in low-light situations and add a modern, high-tech aesthetic to the SUV's rear profile. Integrated sequential turn indicators and dynamic brake lighting ensure your intentions are clear on the road, enhancing safety for you and those around you. Grille. The front grille has been completely redesigned to offer a more commanding presence. The 2026 Expedition sports a larger grille with chrome or gloss black finishes depending on the trim level. Active grille shutters are now standard, which automatically adjust airflow for better fuel efficiency and engine cooling. The overall design balances rugged capability with a luxury-minded flair, making it look just as at home in the city as it does on the trail. Seats. Inside, the Expedition is all about space and comfort. The standard 3-row configuration offers seating for up to 8 passengers, with captain's chairs available for the second row. Seats are finished in high-quality materials, ranging from durable cloth-on base trims to premium leather with contrast stitching and massage functionality on the platinum trim. Heated and ventilated front and second row seats are available, and the third row offers adult-friendly legroom, a rarity in the segment. Dashboard. The dashboard in the 2026 Expedition is clean, wide, and intuitive. It now features more soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused layout. A fully digital 12.4-inch instrument cluster is standard and displays customizable information including navigation, driver assistance alerts, and performance metrics. The overall design emphasizes functionality without clutter, giving drivers a confident and distraction-free experience. Infotainment system. At the heart of the cabin is the all-new 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen running Ford Sync 5 system. This new infotainment interface is faster, smarter, and more responsive. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice-activated controls, built-in Amazon Alexa, and real-time traffic with over-the-air updates. Multiple USB ports, a wireless charging pad, and an available 22-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system make the cabin a tech haven for every passenger. Steering wheel. The multi-function steering wheel is wrapped in soft leather and designed for both comfort and control. It features haptic feedback buttons for audio, phone, cruise control, and even hands-free highway driving functions with Ford's Blue Cruise system. Heated functionality is standard on mid and upper trims, and the tilting, telescoping mechanism helps drivers of all sizes find the perfect driving position. Engine. Under the hood, the 2026 Expedition comes standard with a refined 3.5-liter EcoBoost twin-turbo V6, delivering an impressive 400 horsepower and 480 pounds-to-feet of torque. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, this engine provides exceptional towing capacity at up to 9,300 pounds when properly equipped. Power delivery is smooth and confident, making the Expedition a leader in its class for performance and capability. Hybrid option. For those looking for more efficiency, the new Expedition is also available with a hybrid powertrain. This system combines a 3.5-liter V6 with an electric motor to produce 430 horsepower while significantly improving fuel economy, estimated at 24 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon highway. The hybrid model retains strong towing capability while offering smoother acceleration and lower emissions, making it a compelling option for eco-conscious families and road trippers alike. Airbags. Safety is a top priority in the 2026 Expedition. The SUV features a comprehensive airbag system that includes dual-stage front airbags, front seat side impact airbags, driver's knee airbag, and full-length curtain airbags for all three rows. Ford's safety sensors work in tandem with these systems to deploy airbags at optimal force depending on the type of collision, ensuring the highest level of passenger protection. Parking assist. Parking a full-size SUV has never been easier thanks to Ford's advanced parking assist technologies. The Expedition now includes standard rear-view camera and parking sensors, with available 360-degree camera views and enhanced Active Park Assist 2.0. This system can automatically steer the vehicle into parallel or perpendicular spaces while you control the gear and brake, making city driving less stressful and more convenient. Price. The 2026 Ford Expedition starts at approximately $58,000 for the base XL trim. The mid-tier XLT and limited trims range from $62,000 to $70,000, offering more luxury and tech features. The top-tier Platinum and King Ranch trims come in around $75,000 to $82,000, especially with the hybrid system or added options. While the price may seem steep, the Expedition offers size, capability, technology, and refinement that justify every dollar for families or professionals who need serious utility. Ending note. And that wraps up our full look at the 2026 Ford Expedition, a full-size SUV that balances brute strength with family-focused comfort and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're heading off-road, towing heavy gear, or just loading up for a weekend road trip, the Expedition